What's up, guys? So in this video, we're going to walk you through how to update and change your brand colors in Flodesk. So when you're creating an email, Flodesk makes it really easy for you to put in your brand colors. And so I'm going to show you how to edit those today. So all you do is you go to your account, click this icon here, and go to branding. And then here, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do the brand colors in this page here, your brand page. You can also update your address, the email that your emails are like show up as, and then your social channels. So you can also do those in here. But for today, I'm just going to show you brand colors. So let's just get into it. So you click on the color and you literally just, whoops, you swap out the hex code. So if you don't know where to find the hex code, for example, like this is my brand kit in Canva. You can see here I have a lot of different colors in here. So all you do is you would click on, let's say your stuff is in Canva, but if your branding was done for you, you should always have those hex codes handy. So that's how I can do mine in Canva. Oops, sorry. So I would go here and just keep swapping them out. Okay, that didn't work. My laptop is being a little funny today, isn't it? Okay, cool. And then another little tip here is if you like colors but you don't know the hex code, here's one of my little secret weapons for you. So you download this here. It's called Eyedropper. It is a Chrome extension. You can download this and then basically it's amazing. You can pick color from web page. So say I'm on a website and I just love everything about it, but I don't know the color. You hover, click, and then go up here and it tells you the hex code. So there have been so many times over the past few years where I've seen a color that I loved, but I didn't know the code. And it's hard to match color when you don't know what it is. So anyway, it's a little tip for you, but this is how you update your brand color. So now that I've given you a few examples here, yeah, but Flodesk is amazing. I'm going to drop my affiliate link below, which gets you 50% off of your Flodesk email marketing subscription. It's definitely one of my favorite email marketing providers, mainly because you can create such beautiful emails. Like this was an email that I sent out to my email list this past Friday, and you can just make it really fun. You can make it customized. This one's kind of simple, but you can just do a lot of fun things with Flodesk. And I have a whole video series here all dedicated to Flodesk training. So if you do need any more support, Flodesk is an amazing option for you. All right, thanks, guys.